The 2003 California gubernatorial recall election was a special election permitted under California state law. It resulted in voters replacing incumbent Democratic Governor Gray Davis with Republican Arnold Schwarzenegger. The recall effort spanned the latter half of 2003. 7 of the 9 previous governors, including Davis, had faced unsuccessful recall attempts. After several legal and procedural efforts failed to stop it, California's first-ever gubernatorial recall election was held on October 7, and the results were certified on November 14, 2003, making Davis the first governor recalled in the history of California and just the second in U.S. history. California is one of 19 states that allow recalls. Nearly 18 years after the 2003 election, California held a second recall election in 2021, however it was unsuccessful. As of 2021, this is the last time Los Angeles voted for a Republican gubernatorial candidate. The California recall process became law in 1911 as the result of progressive-era reforms that spread across the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.